All right, so how do I take this chocolate pretzel, which cost me about 6 cents to make, and I sell it for $30 for 16 of them online? It's a huge margin profit. It's actually something that's very simple to make. We do literally thousands upon thousands of these a month. Going into the holiday season, actually, here is a bunch I'm getting ready to literally bag and seal with our sealer. But these items are so simple to make, guys. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to come up with something so unique. Obviously, I never invented chocolate pretzels, but this accounts for around $60,000 a year as one of our 300 items. And I'm going to show you a handful of items here in our commercial kitchen that we make and we sell online. But the more simpler they are, the easier are they to sell. Now, is it easy to sell online as far as getting people's attention and getting people to convert into buyers? That's the biggest marketing challenge you're going to face, is getting people's attention for your particular product, because I'm not the only person who sells chocolate pretzels online. Granted that we have probably about 50 different listings for different types of toppings, different size packaging. We do a different size boxes for gift boxes. There's a lot of different ways to differentiate your product from somebody else's, and that's what was allowed us to actually grow this to around 60,000. We do around 200 plus thousand a year online, just with our Amazon store and a couple of our other e-commerce businesses. That in particular is this accounts for roughly around 50 to 60,000 a year. Now, the great thing about this is that you can use your imagination and go wild with all kinds of toppings. It doesn't matter what you want to go with. You can do basic, simple sprinkles. You can even do M&Ms. I mean, the list goes on and on. I have a ton behind me. I have all kinds of toppings, toasted coconut and everything else in between. So don't try to reinvent the wheel. Don't make it very difficult. It's just a matter of making the packaging unique in size, unique in either its giftability. Can you give it to someone as a gift? Or how you market it online and how you offer discounts. That's what sets us apart. On Amazon in particular, we actually have the buy box. Roughly in the past 10 years, we're averaging between 92 to 97% of the time, because our products are super unique. They are similar in the category what we put them in, but no one in particular is making this particular type of product. And that's what sets us apart from everyone else and differentiates us. So if you're looking to do this type of a business, just keep in mind, sell chocolate pretzels. If you happen to make them, we do white chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate. So having a different topping and then, of course, having the different coatings on them, that's what differentiates us from everyone else. So don't try to reinvent the wheel. This video is all about giving you an idea. This is what one of the items, one of the 300 plus items that we do. And I'm going to show you all of the different cookies that we make and everything else. And as a matter of fact, I'll take you a walk over here. So we actually have a handful of cookies that are already baked and they're getting ready to go back in the oven. And then we basically take those pretzels and we come over to our sealer. We seal them up. There's a whole bunch that are going out. I actually got an order from Amazon itself. Actually, one of the warehouses, I believe it was. They ordered 120 of our sets. 120 sets of this particular product. And that was around almost 2,000 pretzels just for that one order. So that brought in a little bit over a $3,200, about $3,200, $3,700 order just from Amazon. And again, we didn't invent these. Keep it simple, keep it basic. This is one that's got chocolate with toffee on it. Very simple, easy to make. There's so many variations of different things that you can make and sell. These cookies, as I did a video once before, this particular cookie itself sells like crazy on Amazon, because actually that cookie nobody else actually makes. They make cookies similar to it, but it's not that exact same cookie. That one in the past 30 days, I think we've done $9,200, $9,300, about $9,300. That cookie is a really basic iced cookie, super simple to make. I have a whole bunch of them getting ready to go out here in our shipping department. So again, keep it simple. You don't have to reinvent anything. Make it basic. If you've got a niche type of a product, something that's hard to find, put it on Amazon, because your ability to stand out will be dramatic. So I hope I'll see you in the next video.